What goes into the Cosori Original electric glass kettle? It might seem like an obvious question, but the answer isn't so simple. Our kettle is made with high-quality materials and supported by a powerful base to quickly deliver the final ingredient for your favorite treats. With its special LED indicator, the kettle even lets you know the moment your water is ready. Plus, the wide opening supports easy cleanup and descaling, so you'll never grow tired of finding new things to brew.
Water. It makes up nearly 60% of the human body and impacts our cognitive function, physical performance, and even our appearance. Take a deep breath and embrace the clarity and quality of the water that fuels your adventures. Elevate the way you hydrate with the Lark Bottle Pure Viz 2. With two-stage water purification, Pure Viz acts as a first layer of defense to eradicate biocontaminants such as E. coli and Salmonella. It's time to rethink hydration. Then, filter as you sip to remove PFAS and chlorine to improve the quality and taste of your water, so that you can focus on experiencing more and filtering out the noise just a bit easier. Stay ahead of the game. While you're chasing your goals, your personal hydration coach records every drop, helping you stay on track toward your goals. And gently reminds you to take another sip. In a world where every second and every drop counts just the same, keep your pace with Apple Health integration. All of your hydration stats in one place, allowing you to get back to the run even faster. Lark Bottle Pure Viz 2 effortlessly blends technology with your well-being. With a self-cleaning mode that activates every 2 hours, each sip will be as fresh and crisp as the last. Lark Bottle Pure Viz 2. Not just a water bottle, but your intelligent hydration companion.